Okay, welcome back to CAD That Works. This is a follow-on video for my 5 easy CAD projects video. This will be the tutorial for modeling the cable clip. So let's go ahead and jump into Onshape, hit Create, Document, call this Simple Cable Clip, create public document, go ahead and orient that to the front, hit Sketch, select that front sketch plane. You're just going to go hit the rectangle command, hover over that center, drag your rectangle out, hit D for dimension. Let's just make that 1 inch long for this one. Make that a 1/4 inch tall. And we can add for the little cutout for the actual cable. Let's assume it's a 1/4 inch cable. We're adding our dimensions here. Now we're going to hit the M button for trim, because this needs to be a closed sketch. There we go. Finish that sketch, hit extrude, select sketch number 1. Let's make this 0.5. You can even make that probably 3/8 of an inch, 0.375. Finish that. We're going to put a mounting hole on top, so you hit sketch, select that top surface. Circle command. Actually, let's orient it to the top first. Circle command again, and we're going to find that midpoint. We're going to hover over it till you see that square. And then we're going to just drag, without clicking anything, drag our mouse out. Dimension that circle. Just like that. Hit extrude again. Select sketch number 2. This time it's going to be a remove. Up to next. Select that. Let's go ahead and add some little fillets on there. Then we're just going to select all those edges, left click them, just to make it look a little nicer. And there you go. A very simple cable clamp. You can modify this to whatever size you need. Makes organizing your cables very easy. You could add more cutouts for more cables, however many you want. And there you go. So again, if you like this kind of content, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what other kind of projects you'd like to see in the comments. Thank you.